All right, everybody, this is Jake here from Digital Impact. Make sure to have a pen and some paper handy when you're watching this video because I'm going to break down every single benefit of Facebook advertisements. If you are a small to medium-sized business owner or you're just a little bit curious about what Facebook ads are all about, this video is for you and you're going to want to take some notes. So let's get right into it. Facebook ads is just another traffic store. All right. What traffic means, for those of you that don't know, traffic is basically like people visiting a website, just people online. Think of people online as traffic going to a specific location. And what us as advertisers have different stores available to us for that traffic, so we can buy traffic from different stores. Let's say you need eggs, okay? You're gonna go to the grocery store for that. Let's say you need clothes, you're gonna go to the clothing store for that. And so you have Google ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads are kind of the big three. These are the best platforms to advertise on. Facebook advertising is basically like the Walmart of all three of those different platforms. There are benefits to Google and YouTube ads. Facebook has some strict restrictions. I'm going to make another video about that, or a strict advertising policy. But really anything you need to do, you can do on Facebook ads. So the first benefit of it is it's a massive, massive market. If Facebook were a country, it would literally be the largest country in the entire world. So it currently has 2.45 billion active users, and they actually spend an average of 27 minutes per day on Facebook's platform. So what does that mean to us? Hang on. Like stumbling over my gum. What does that mean to us as marketers? All right. So that means that our target audience is for sure using Facebook for sure on Facebook. So really what your target audience means is it's like the people that are most likely to buy from you when you're advertising. So let's say you are a kombucha company. You can target people you only really want to target people who are interested in like holistics and different things related to kombucha, probiotics, etc. Or if you're a gym, you're going to want to target the health and fitness industry. And whatever, you could be selling tree bark. There's going to be people on Facebook who are interested in tree bark. And not only is your target audience on Facebook, it's by far the easiest platform to get their attention on as well. Facebook, it's actually a little bit scary almost how much Facebook knows about us. So every single time that we take an action on Facebook, that could be liking a picture, sharing a picture, that could be searching something. Facebook is going to start allowing search targeting, I heard. Anytime we do anything, Facebook takes that data and they put it in their database, and what that does, it allows us to target based on crazy specific demographics, interests, life events. So you could target only, let's go back to kombucha. You could target only engaged shoppers who are interested in Synergy Kombucha, as well as holistic medicine, as well as, yoga or something around holistic. Or if you are some sort of, let's say you're a life coach or something like that, you could target only people who are interested in self-improvement. And the targeting options are crazy. Or if you're a wedding company, you could target people who are engaged and just targets people in a specific area who are engaged. So it's a huge difference between like that and especially print ads. It's night and day. If you're advertising in the newspaper, you're not wasting money. All ads are good ads. It's good to get exposure out there, but you're not going to get a return on investment on a newspaper ad. I can pretty much guarantee that. I'm not going to say for sure, but I would bet you $1,000 that if you put money in a print ad, you're not going to get that money back. Reason being is because of the targeting. You can't target out of a print ad, all right? So you could be a gym targeting or advertising in a newspaper, and some 90-year-old lady with arthritis who has no business in a gym is reading that. She doesn't care, all right? If she does, more props to her. That's incredible. I hope I'm 95 years old lifting weights. But so the targeting's amazing. And also, once you find your target audience on there and they see your ad, they can share that ad. So the potential to go viral is huge. There's a massive potential to go viral. What that means is when people share the ad, all their friends are going to see that ad, and it's for free. The way Facebook charges you is per impression. What that means is like every time someone sees an ad, they charge you. It's a very small amount of money per impression, depending on what your objective is. But every time someone's friend sees it, it's free for you. So if enough people share it, the ad goes viral and a ton of people see it for free, and you're going to get all this free engagement. And lastly, just to finish this video up, the ease of entry on Facebook is ridiculous. So you literally can start advertising on Facebook with like a $5 budget. I don't really know of anywhere else you can do that effectively. You're not going to make a ton of money with a $5 budget, but let's say you're a local restaurant or something like that. You could just run a page-like campaign. So you'll get a bunch of people to start following you on a $5 budget. You'll probably get about 10 followers a day. And then now when you post your awesome pizza, hundreds of people are going to see it. So just to sum this up, Facebook, you have a massive amount of people on it. So your target audience is definitely on it. It's the easiest platform to get a hold of your target audience. Once they see it, they can share it. And you can do all of this on a very low budget. So if you are at my company, we specialize in small to medium-sized business owners. So anywhere from like 0 to 20 employees. That's what I consider small to medium-sized business owners. If that's you, Facebook ads are the best way to start advertising. All right. You could start with Google or YouTube, but Facebook you're definitely going to get the best results from. And you can do it on a really small budget. So make sure, if you got to the end of this video, make sure that you click that subscribe button. If you are interested in Facebook ads, I'm going to be putting out a lot of content on actually how to do Facebook ads, like the logistics of it. And the biggest issue I see today with marketing specifically is misinformation. So 100 years ago, our biggest obstacle was a lack of information, and now there's just a ridiculous amount of false information going out on YouTube. So you really want to find like 1 to 3 people that really know what they're doing and listen to them. So hit that subscribe button. You're going to get nothing but good information that's going to make you a bunch of money, and you could really miss out if you don't. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like it. If you have any questions, leave me a question in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I promise you I will get back to you. Yeah, have a good day, guys.